In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an FAQ on Squarespace. If you want to create a clean, easy to navigate frequently asked questions section on your site, Squarespace makes this pretty simple by using an accordion block. This is a great option because it keeps your page looking organized while letting visitors expand only the answers they want to read. To get started, go to the area of your Squarespace page where you want the FAQ to appear, then click on Add Block. This opens the block library where you can search for the type of content you want to insert. In the search field, type accord. You do not need to type the full word if the accordion option already appears. This is just a quick way to filter the list and find the correct block faster, especially if you're working with a lot of content block choices. Once you see it, click on Accordion. Squarespace will place the accordion block onto your page. This block is ideal for FAQ sections because each item can hold a question as the heading and an answer inside the expandable content area. After adding the block, click the pencil icon to edit it. This opens the settings for the accordion block so you can customize each entry. If you don't see the edit option right away, make sure your cursor is hovering over the block. Next, click on the first accordion item. This is where you'll begin replacing the default content with your own FAQ information. Start by editing the title. The title should usually be the question you want your site visitors to see, so make it clear and specific. Then add the description. This is where the answer goes. Try to keep your answer helpful and easy to understand. It's usually best to be concise while still giving enough detail to actually solve the visitor's question. Once the first item is updated, continue repeating the same process to edit the rest of the accordion items. Click each accordion entry, update the title with a question, and add the matching description as the answer. Repeating this step lets you build out your full FAQ section. One item at a time. As you go, it helps to keep your wording consistent so the whole FAQ feels polished and professional. Short, direct questions and clear answers tend to work best for readability. After you've finished editing each accordion item, your FAQ section will be set up and ready to help visitors quickly find the information they need. That's how to set up an FAQ on Squarespace.